Welcome to the world of full-stack development, where front-end, back-end, and databases converge to create powerful applications. As the demand for web developers skyrockets, mastering full-stack development gives you a competitive edge. Whether you're looking to build your projects or advance your career, this program will equip you with all the skills you need. GoLogica Full Stack Web Development Suite Master Program covers every aspect of web development. The program is structured into modules, taking you from the basics to advanced concepts.
Introduction to Web Technologies. Understand the foundations of web development. Front-end mastery. Dive deep into HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and popular frameworks like React and Angular. Back-end development. Learn server-side programming, APIs, and data processing with Node.js, Python, and more. Database management. Explore SQL and NoSQL databases to store, retrieve, and manage data efficiently. Full Stack Project. Apply everything you've learned to build a real-world, fully functional web application. Version control and DevOps. Learn Git, GitHub, CI/CD pipelines, and more to streamline your development process. The theory is just the beginning. Our program offers practical coding challenges and projects to work on, ensuring you master every concept. Upon completion, you'll receive a certification validating your full-stack developer skills. Plus, you'll gain access to career guidance. After completing the Full-Stack Web Development Master Program, I landed a job as a full-stack developer at a top tech company. The practical experience and expert instructors gave me the confidence to succeed in the industry. Our instructors are industry professionals with 15 years of experience, ensuring you receive top-notch training and mentorship. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your skills, the Full Stack Web Development Suite Master Program is your gateway to a successful career in web development.
I started my journey as a JavaScript developer, focusing on front-end technologies. To broaden my skill set and enhance my career, I decided to transition into a full-stack web developer role. Full Stack Web Development Suite Master's Program. With the GoLogica Complete Training Programs, I gained expertise in both front-end and back-end technologies, preparing me for the next step in my career.
As a front-end developer, I sought to advance my career and transition to a full-stack web developer role with the help of GoLogica overall training. This shift not only expanded my skill set, but also resulted in an impressive 130% salary hike, boosting my confidence and career prospects significantly.